Hi Capricorn, welcome to Omkara Tarot and let's do your weekend love bite. Capricorn, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. And Capricorn, this is for the weekend of the 2nd of October, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. Oh, let me put these back, I haven't finished yet. So, yeah, but it just does show trying to make some decisions, it seems, Capricorn. Before I open these cards, I'm going to take an angel blessing card to see what my angels are going to bless you and advise you with for this weekend. So my angels, what do you have for Capricorn now? Angel blessing or an advice or a message for them? Let's see. Prayer. Is there something you've been praying for, Capricorn? It seems all your prayers have been heard and they're going to be answered very, very soon, it seems. And if you have not been asking for something, I think your angels are very, very close and they're saying, whatever you need, just pray for it and watch the miracles happen, right? So this weekend, I think either your prayers are going to be answered, Capricorn, or you need to now set some time aside to connect to your angels. Let's see what the weekend has in store for you. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for all the love and support you're giving to this channel. And if you're new here, we welcome you to the Omkara family. To join us, subscribe to the channel, and yes, we welcome you in. We meet here weekly, monthly, and now weekends as well. So, to join us. Making some plans, like I said, some decision time. Capricorn, you're trying to make some decisions and planning. What are we planning? Let's see. The first card I have for you here, Capricorn, is Temperance in reverse. Right? There's a bit of feeling of not feeling balanced, maybe needing a bit of healing. Eight of Pentacles and the Queen of Wands. Yeah, I think Capricorn, you are totally in your element right now as the Queen of Wands, and you are working towards something but not feeling very stable, right? There's the Eight of Wands, Star, and the Four of Swords. Let's see what this is all about before we open the last three cards. This is the background story as to what you're going to be doing on the weekend. So let's see. So why is my Capricorn feeling in the Temperance in reverse, Spirit? Why is the... Yeah, because you feel that, something in your world has kind of crumbled. There's been a tower moment and you feel things are just falling apart, maybe in some sphere of your life. And there's maybe been a message or some communication with somebody which was not the best. It was harsh, rude, mean, and could have been a fight. And right now you're feeling a little imbalanced in your uh, not knowing how to move forward with that. I do have the Eight of Pentacles twice here now, Capricorn. So are you busy working this weekend or are you trying to work at this relationship? Yeah, you want to send a message, you want to have some movement, you're wanting to take charge of something in your life. So what is Capricorn working towards, Spirit? Yeah, you no longer want to fight for anything. You don't want to have a fight, you want to drop the fight. You're just looking back at the past and feeling so much regret, right? At how things went, how things have not panned out. Somebody, either you or the other person, is right now very, very upset and wanting, I think, to work towards creating some healing. Ah, now I get it. I think this is your person, Capricorn. They're coming in swift and fast, right? They're trying to avoid this tower from falling completely. They want to drop the fight. They want to put in some work now, and they want to bring in this message to say, hey, like, stop, don't leave. They're having a lot of regrets for what happened in the past. They see you as the Queen of Wands. Beautiful, sexy, hardworking. I mean, you are like Queen of Wands is the most attractive queen in the entire tarot deck, right? So that's how they see you here. 1 second, hold on. Just give me 1 second. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, so that's how they see you. I think they want to communicate to you. They see you as this person who can give them a lot of love, nurturing, nourishing, They also see that somewhere this Queen of Wands has now pulled back her energy and is no longer sharing it with them. They are wishing upon a star and trying to heal the situation now, Capricorn, and they are, I think, healing right now and in deep contemplation as to what to say and how to get you back. So Queen of Wands spirit, what's this Queen of Wands? Yeah, there've been some. I think in the fight, some secrets have been revealed, and now the Queen of Wands is saying, "Hey, listen, if this is the way it's going to be, I think I'm going to make my own plans and maybe move ahead in my own life." And this has been communicated that this Queen of Wands has pulled back their love. Eight of Swords spirit. What's this messages or yes about closing out this chapter with this person who probably came across as very untrustworthy. They never offered anything, they didn't offer a long term commitment, they were not willing to stay in your life long enough to create, a foundation. They just wanted to have fun, maybe with you or maybe with many others on the side. And when all this came to light and all these secrets were revealed, I think the Queen of Wands has decided to shut this chapter down and pull back her energy. Now this person I think is desperate for a second chance, Capricorn, whoever you're dealing with here. So they are wishing and hoping and praying, it seems. Oh yeah, the prayer card did come, right? Where was it? Yeah, the prayer card. So this is not you, Capricorn. This is somebody praying for you. They're wishing upon a star and praying and hoping to get a second chance with you. Here they are, reflecting on their own actions. Yeah, they know that the Queen of Wands is very angry now, very upset with them, and they don't know what to do, how to get back. So, Spirit, the star, why is the star here? Yeah, they want to come out of this troubled times with you, Capricorn, and they want to move this relationship now to a calmer place. And they want this Wheel of Fortune, which has now become stuck, right? Because somebody got upset with them. They wanted now to start moving again in both your favor, so you guys can move ahead happily. And again, Four of Swords spirit. Why are they in the Four of Swords energy? Because they're feeling embarrassed and sheepish. They're feeling like, now you know their secrets and everything is out in the open. So now it's like a public disgrace to them, and they're feeling they can't even face you after maybe something that's happened between the two of you. And what they've done, now they're looking at all the investment that they didn't put in, right? They're looking at all the investment that they didn't put in, and no wonder, somebody's upset with them, and they've taken some time out to reflect on that, and now they want to come back to you, Capricorn, to offer you equal give and take. This is what they wish now. So let's see what's going to happen on the weekend. Will they come? Ace of Cups, Seven of Wands, and the Ten of Pentacles. Yep. I think this weekend is looking a bit promising here. Ace of Cups spirit. What's this Ace of Cups for Capricorn? One more. This person wants to offer you their cup of love now, Capricorn, after this fight, and now that they know that all love is lost between both of you, and they know that you are no longer going to, accept them. I mean, people always wait for the last minute for some strange reason, but I don't know why. So I think this love is now lost. At least the feminine energy is no longer interested and totally kind of, yeah, it looks like somebody here has made a decision now and trying to now stay guarded and not allowing the other person to come in. Yeah, this person is now holding back big time. But this could be you, Capricorn. I think this is the feminine energy here who is trying to hold back, has made a decision, and yet the other person, I think, wants a fresh new beginning. So what's this Ten of Pentacles, Spirit, finally? What's the Ten of Pentacles? I think somebody wants to come in after everything's come to an end here. I think somebody here wants to come in, Capricorn, with an apology or a sorry. Right now, I think they're still in a hangman space. This is what they desire with you. They desperately want this with you. But right now, this person is highly confused, right? They're highly confused, or maybe they had other options in the mix earlier, and that's the reason you put them out in the cold. So right now, I think even though this person wants to come and apologize, they seem to be in a little bit of a stuck place where they're trying to figure out how they can make a move towards you, and if there is any chance for them to have this happily ever after with you. But I do see the other person a bit defensive and not allowing, not allowing this connection to happen. So let them fret and fume for a little while longer, Capricorn. Hold your ground if this is you who's been hurt here. And if it's you who is wanting to go back and apologize. I mean, this Page of Cups, it won't do it, right? After you've hurt somebody so badly, I think you need to do a little more and come in as the king. All right? Come in as a king and take, I mean, show the feminine what you are. I think I lost my mic for a minute. Hold on, hold on. The mic fell off. I think that's a sign that somebody here has lost their voice and doesn't know what to say, right? So, anyways, your love readings are coming up soon. So, we will see both sides to see how each of you are feeling and what your potential outcome can be. Till then, enjoy this weekend. You hold your ground, and you, if you can, come in strong and with authenticity, come in a little stronger than this, right? You have to break many walls to get back to your happy space. So till then, love and light. Take care. I will see you soon, Capricorn. Till then, namaste. Love and light.